In this video we will generate this amazing image using AI, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get started, open any browser and search for Bing, which is the AI tool owned by Microsoft. You can simply click on the link given in this video's description or click on the first search result. You will see a page like this. If you have never used Bing before, you will need to sign up on this page. I already have signed in before, so I can continue further. Click on this colorful icon over here and it will take you to the page where you can give prompts to this AI. I will enter my prompt: generate an image of a dog wearing astronaut costume on moon, also include a rocket in the background. Click enter and the AI will take some time to generate the images. We will skip to the part where images are ready. As you can see, we have 4 amazing images based on our prompt. Click on any of the images that you like. The image will open in larger view and you will get the option to edit or download the image. You can also change the style of image like pixel art, watercolor, etc. from here. You can also edit the image by providing more prompts or use some suggested prompts. Let's click on make the dog a golden retriever. Just like before, Bing AI will take some time and we will have 4 amazing images with the necessary changes. You can see that the dog has been changed to a golden retriever. I will show you how to download the images. Click on any image of your choice. Click on the 3 dots here and click download. You can choose the location to download. Click save. Now let's open the image. You can see that the image quality is very good. This is how you can use Bing AI to generate images using prompt completely for free. If you want to know about an AI tool that can write SEO optimized content, then check out this video on the left. Or to know about an AI tool that can caption videos within seconds, check out this video on the right. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.